Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these brass rings from Dollar Tree, one of their ornament snowmen, and a scarf also from Dollar Tree. I took the brass rings and I'm only using the two smaller ones, and I'm overlapping them a bit, hot gluing them together, and then also zip tying them on the edges, cutting off the excess. And then I'm taking this wired twine that I get from Hobby Lobby. It's like a grapevine twine. And I'm just wrapping it around the outer edge of both of those rings. Next, I'm taking Ivory color chalk paint by Waverly, and I use a toothbrush to apply it, just dabbing it into the paint and brushing it all along the outer edge where the twine is that I wrapped around it. I do 2 coats, front and back, drying it completely. Next, I take these fairy lights that I get from Amazon, and I wrap it around just about the entire outer edge, just leaving the very bottom of the larger ring without the lights on it. Next, I cut a piece of the scarf, which is from Dollar Tree, and then I take this hat, which came off a snowman ornament. I just pulled it off the snowman, took the ribbon and greenery off of it, took a piece of the cut scarf and hot glued it around the hat, just right above the rim of the hat. And then in the back where they meet, I hot glue that completely so it's nice and closed. I cut off some of the excess on the top and then just start hot gluing that down onto the top of the hat, cutting it in sections just so it glues down easier. I cut a round piece off of the scarf and just hot glued that to the top. I also had added in some white sparkly ribbon around it and added back in the greenery, and hot glued the bottom of the hat and attached it to the smaller ring kind of at an angle. I take the rest of the scarf and I'm hot gluing it by folding a third of it down, placing the hot glue underneath it, folding all of the rest of it up on top of that piece, hot gluing that as well. I then place the scarf underneath the snowman and I am wrapping it around the front, hot gluing it on those rings, cutting off some of the excess. And then I take the rest of the scarf and I wrap it over that. And it was a little longer than I liked, so I ended up just wrapping it around one of the rings again and then hot gluing it so that frilly part of the scarf will face down. And then I take some more of that grapevine twine and wrap it around the larger ring on the side right below the scarf. I wrap it around and twist it nice and tight around that frame and then keep twisting it up, leaving it open on the top so it just looks kind of like hands. And I do the same thing on the other side. And this is what it looks like so far. And then I take this plaque I got from Dollar Tree. I believe it's about 7 inches. Doesn't really matter the size as long as it's wider, wide enough to hold the snowman on. I use home decor wax by Folkart, brush that on and use a baby wipe to blend it. Completely dry it. And then I'm taking some tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree and gluing 2 of those down side by side, placing the snowman base in front of those just to get a measurement to glue down my other tumbling blocks. The base of the snowman will be glued in between those sets. Once those are glued on, I take the wax again and brush it on all of those blocks. And then I have 2 more that I cover with the wax as well. I then take the snowman base and place it in between those tumbling block sets that I glued to the plaque. And I'm just adding in hot glue and placing it back down. I'm just making sure that it had fit. It's kind of hard to see on video, but it's hot glued in between those sets. I add more hot glue to the top of those and add the 2 remaining tumbling blocks on top to keep that into place. Next, I'm taking some white poinsettia flowers and hot gluing them to the front of the tumbling tower blocks, as well as the back. That way it can be reversible, so you can have it going from either side. You'll be able to see it. Also, some flocked greenery. I believe that was also from Dollar Tree. Just hot gluing them behind those flowers. And then just turning on my lights and hot gluing the battery pack down on top of those tumbling blocks. And that is it for this project. I love how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching.